Welcome! If you want to get LED keyboard on your Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, for the first you have to go for the Play Store, tap on the search pool and type LED keyboard. You can also take it from this quick list, and we have to get this application, LED Keyboard Lightning, from the Zazik Studio, so let's get it. When the download is finished, we can open smoothly our application, click on the Enable button, use this switcher, click OK 2 times, then just go back and click Select. Right now we have to select our LED keyboard. Now just wait until it loads all of this stuff. Okay, I think that we get some kind of bug with this Glovo ad, so let's close it and open our application one more time. You can find it in this home screen, and as you can see right now it is working. So here we can set up all of the themes that you got here, and I can show you my favorite, Unlimited, and that's how this theme looks. If you want to set it up, just click Save Keyboard, and right now when we enter for example for the messages, and here we get our new LED keyboard, and you can also set up other things here. For example, you can change the sound. I think that I'm going to pick up this one, tap on the switcher to activate, then just go back and let's try it. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.